Hi, I'm Alan, and today I'm going to introduce you to the Baoli KBE 1293 series. Let's take a closer look. The KBE 1293 series is a durable electric counterbalance forklift, available in two capacities, 2 and 2.5 tons. Powered by a maintenance-free 48-volt lithium-ion battery or 48-volt lead-acid battery, the KBE 1293 series offers consistent performance and produces zero emissions. This model features variable speed control, power steering, and an AC drive motor that delivers smooth acceleration. It also includes a single pedal and directional switch to select your direction of drive. The forklift's digital display provides real-time data at your fingertips, including the time and date, truck speed, battery charge, and steering position. For increased functionality, the forklift is fitted with an integral side shift and a container entry mast. It offers a maximum lift height of up to 6.5 meters, and additional mast height options are available for various workplace requirements. The Triplex 3-stage mast supports lifting, lowering, and tilting operations with precision, and additional hydraulics can be installed to support a range of attachments, enhancing the forklift's versatility. Safety is a fundamental aspect of Baoli's design philosophy. The KBE 1293 series includes features such as a steel overhead guard, a reverse beeper with flashing beacon, an LED light, an emergency stop button, and a sequential seatbelt interlock system. It also features curve assist, a steering sensor that automatically reduces the forklift speed during turns. Operator comfort is key. The KBE 1293 series enables easy access into its ergonomically designed and spacious cabin, with its comfortable footwell and adjustable seat. For better control and handling, the KBE 1293 series has an adjustable steering column with a compact steering wheel. It also has a rear handle with an integrated horn button that adds even more safety and convenience when reversing. Designed for long-term efficiency, these forklifts are engineered for low maintenance while delivering a good balance of power and energy consumption. With its intelligent design and dependable performance, the KBE 1293 series is built to operate safely and efficiently in demanding environments.